So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng Christmas AI photo for family of 4 sa Google Gemini. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Google Chrome browser or browser sa ating phone. And dito guys, pagka-open sa search bar, isa-search lang natin is Google Gemini. And after i-search guys, ito yung piliin yung site, Google Gemini. So ayan guys, pagka-open ng Google Gemini, ang first step natin is mag-upload muna tayo ng photo na gagamitin natin as face reference. So make sure guys, yung image na ilalagay ninyo is exact photo ng image na gusto nyong gawing AI. So for example guys, ito is family of 4, so dapat 4 members ng family yung i-upload ninyo na photo. So tap lang natin guys yung add button and then upload files. So pili na kayo guys is sa inyong gallery nang i-upload ninyong photo. So for example is ito na lang photo. Tap nyo lang guys yung image and wait yung ma-upload. So after ma-upload guys, dito naman is magpe-paste lang tayo ng prompt na gagamitin natin. So dito guys, nakasave na akong prompt dito sa aking notes. So ikakopy ko na lang siya. And take note guys, yung mga prompt na gagamitin ko dito is ilalagay ko na lang sa description box ng video na to. So i-copy nyo na lang din yon and paste nyo siya sa inyong Google Gemini. So ayan guys, after nyo makopy, paste natin dito sa baba. And ayan guys, after nyo ma-upload and then malagay yung prompt, tap na natin yung send button. And wait natin guys hanggang sa mag-generate yung image. So ayan guys, scroll up na natin after mag-generate. And ayan guys, ganito yung lumabas na image. So para ma-save naman, tap nyo yung photo, then tap nyo yung save. And automatic yan guys, masasave na siya sa ating mobile phone. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng Christmas AI photo for family of 4 sa Google Gemini. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.